Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Ford Explorer Limited. This one's a magnetic metallic. Underneath there's a 2.3 4-cylinder with EcoBoost pushing out 300 horsepower and 310 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch multi-spoke wheels. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear climate controls, rear heated seats, third row seating, limited Explorer EcoBoost badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, blind spot assist, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, USB ports, different driving modes. This Explorer has 25,043 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Explorer Limited, visit us at feldmanimports.com.